Fuck!
Redo.
Oh! Oh!
Yes!
Yo!
Yeah!
Again.
Oh,
Oh, bro.
that's crazy.
Good shit.
First trick in like 2 weeks.
Damn.
I was like, oh god, I just did this in my slides. I was like, no, I don't want to hurt my toes. I want to go put the switch on the car. I was like, oh shit, he's here.
Yeah, I always struggle, dude. Shove it's. I have a very hard time with it. I kept treating it like a tray flip.
Yeah.
And the tray.
I noticed. I was like, you know what? If I get this down, I can learn how to like twist it as I do it.
Oh yeah.
All right, go ahead. Press it. All right, that one's engaging. One more time. Are you letting it go? Press it. Let go. And you're letting go right now, right? All right. Your right front caliper sticking.
Yes, yeah.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
So you could go ahead, turn it off, put that in park. So yep, so now that's what we were checking. We're just seeing to see which wheel sticks or which wheel doesn't grab when he was pressing the brake. Another thing I told him to notice when you do a drive for like, let's say 10 minutes of driving and you're consistently pressing the brakes, letting go of the brakes, come park your car, wait for like maybe a few minutes, let it cool down, and then go to check on both sides. If this one was cold and the other one's hot, that's how you know the other one's seizing.
Yeah.
That's a good keynote to like if you want to start without touching or lifting up the car, start there. So from that being said, I guess we're just gonna have to take that wheel off and we're just gonna take off the caliper, check the slide pins and see if it's seized or not, because
Hopefully not.
hopefully not, but I mean,
Hopefully just a simple bleed just needs to be done.
we could do that first. So when you go to press
Out there.
okay, it looks clean,
Kind of greenish.
maybe a little contaminated. Good. All right. 3 pumps hold.
Yeah. All right. You ready?
Yeah. I guarantee it's those slide pins. Yep. Ah! This is a no-go. Yeah, I would definitely go get some. Let's start off getting some Anti-Seize and clean these up good because these are gunked. Yep. And then if you see this grease, look at the grease up on the end. You see how it's kind of like moist
Yeah.
and lubricated? Up here is gunked up and it's kind of like turning like clay-like.
Yeah.
So it's keeping it from moving fluidly.
All right, so we're gonna go down to AutoZone real quick and go get what was it? We need some grease and grab some Anti-Seize and maybe some brake cleaner while we're there. So, all right, we'll see you guys in a bit. All right, we finally got it. So we're gonna spray some brake cleaner, clean out as much of that gunk out. For that little drive, actually, it felt really nice from driving down from AutoZone and back here. Before and after.
Don't make it too much. I'll just like run a little bead on it, and then from there I kind of just like smush it and roll it in. It stinks. It's reacting to something, whether it be the gloves, the old, I don't know what.
You smell it?
It smells.
Oh
Like,
yeah, it's like almost like an oily, burning smell.
Yeah,
kinda.
yeah.
It looks like it's even.
Look at that brake though.
We're gonna finish doing all this, and then let's see. I guess I'm gonna start recording again once we start putting the other side back together and such. Unless like there's something major that I think it would be somewhat useful, but it's pretty much staying the same process all the way through. Just cleaning, pretty much cleaning and putting new Anti-Seize on. But all right, I'll catch y'all in a sec.
see it. That was better.
So close. One of these days, bro. One of these days, I'm landing the tray flip. All right, we're gonna go on the drive test real quick. I'm gonna go drop him off real quick. Alrighty. All right, so that's pretty much it. So by how it feels, it actually solved the solution there. It doesn't feel like it's stuttering or like it's getting stuck, like it's feeling shit. So hey, W.